How did you feel when you got your first period?
It's not fair. Nothing happens to boys.
Any feeling is valid. How do you explain to a child what is happening in their bodies? Hello everyone, I'm Monisha Deepka, gynecologist and fertility specialist. All women are born with certain number of eggs in their body, and every month from the time of their first period, an egg is getting released. So every month the body prepares for the egg that is going to be released and a possible pregnancy. When this doesn't happen, all of these changes are washed away in the menstrual blood. So what are the things you need to know when you have your first period? In the first year after your period starts, the periods might be irregular. You may get your period once in 2 months or 3 months. So let it happen, go with the flow. What you should not let happen is a lot of bleeding. Because blood is very precious entity and it is supposed to only wash away the changes, and any excessive blood loss that may happen during this period should be controlled. Remember that there is nothing to be embarrassed about, and this is a process that happens in all women's bodies and has been happening for many years. Learn to get used to the process and learn to remember the date on which you had your period. Also, note the amount of bleeding that you may be having or the number of pads that you may be using. Pads are sanitary napkins which you use down there to collect this blood and then discard them. Once the sanitary napkin or pad is filled, it should be discarded, and if it is not, remember to change it frequently throughout the day. Will this blood loss make you weaker? Yes, it can. You're only a child. If there is excessive blood loss and if you are already iron deficient, it is more important to take foods that have more of iron and protein. Chikki, laddu made of sesame seeds, pomegranate, dry fruits, sprouts, natural foods, any fruits, vegetable salads, all these will help you feel better and also help your body recover from the blood loss that is happening. Remember to wear cotton clothes, cotton underwear, and if you want to clean the area down there, just use water and wipe from front to back. Do not be afraid to talk about it to your family, friends or a doctor. Do not be afraid to ask questions, and do not let a stain embarrass you. Do you have any questions about this? Do let me know. I'll be happy to answer them.